All students, I hope you are well. I hope you are preparing yourself for the first term examination. And now I take your math class. We have already completed ICSE book 1, 2, 3, 4 chapters and mental math 1 to exercise 1 to 24, that is page number 1 to 25. I request you first of all you practice all these sums, and the question pattern is 1 question 4 options. The question, so you guess that the question is very short and your answer must, you have to take a copy yourself. If there is any math to calculate, you first calculate it and then you put the tick mark. And 1 hour 15 minutes, that is 9 to 10:15 your exam time, and before 9 8:45 you have to link your, according to the authority, according to their advice, you first link up your Bhashama and then you start your exam at least 10. So I revised all chapters I have completed. Now I revise, that is I will talk about chapter 1, 2, 3, 4. Chapter 1, your chapter 1 numbers. So numbers mean, what is called numbers? I have discussed it. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are called numbers. Okay, and in these chapters there are very semi-chapters. That is, I guess, that is, you know it. That is number and greatest number, smallest number, and ascending order, descending order. Predecessor means before number, successor means after number. That is, predecessor means the number, that is 5 minus 1, 4 predecessor, and 5 plus 1, 6 successor. So after number is successor, previous number is predecessor. And you have to this, and put the sign greater than, less than. You have to, and arranging these numbers. That is, these are your first chapters, and I have done detailed in your class. Okay, and mental maths page number 16 you have to do it for the exam. Page number 16, 17 you have to do it. And this is your number chapters. And chapter 2, Roman numbers. Chapter 1, that is numbers mean two systems, Indian system, international system. I have do it in your class. That is number system, that is international system, and this is your Indian system. I have already given it in your class. You know it well. And then after it, I have given you international system. International 3. That is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Indian system में ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. This is your system, two systems. Otherwise, except these, there are some things, that is place value. Place value, where the number is 1 tens 100, that is 1788035. Digit at lakhs, that is this is the number 88035. So lakhs, 7 lakhs. 1 tens 100,000, 10,000, lakh 10 lakh. That is digit with face value, that is 4. Place value, the number itself, and place value 1 tens 100,000, 10,000, lakh 10 lakhs, crore. Okay, this is the system of international system and Indian system. And then you do expanded form, that is 925, 900 plus 20 plus 5, expanded form. And then you write succession and predecession, greater than, less than. That is 5 greater than 2, but 8 less than 7, greater than and less than. and equal 1 equal 1, 3 to 8. This is the arrange. Next, arrange the given numbers in ascending order, descending. Ascending orders means smallest to greatest, and descending orders means greatest to smallest. These are your first chapter. And rounding off. Rounding off means 10 means I will do it. 10 rounding off nearest about 100, nearest about 1000, nearest about 10. 10 means you have to look out ones place, unit place. Unit place may, if the number is greater than 5 or greater than 5, then we add before this tens place number plus 1, and after this jitna number hai 0 0. 100 place you look at the tens place, and if the 100 place number is greater than tens place number is greater than 5 or greater than 5, you add 100 place number plus 1. This and this, round off nearest 100, round off nearest 1000. I have do it in your class. You must practice it. And then this is your first chapter. And smallest number, greatest number, exercise. Okay. This is your first chapter. Second chapter, I will come out second chapter. Second chapter means Roman numerals. Hindu Arabic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But Roman numerals, one symbol. I have done it in your class, but now I repeat it in your class. Symbols 1, that is Hindu Arabic number 1, symbols 1, 5, symbol 5, 10, 10, 50 L, 100 C, 500 D, 1000 M. Okay, this is your rules. This is the number. And then when the same symbol is repeated, the value of the symbol is added. I have written it in your class. You must do it in the previous class chapter. When the same symbol is repeated, the value of the symbol is added to get the value of the numeral. 1, X and C can be repeated only up to 3 times. That is 5. And symbols 5, L and D are never repeated. Okay. That is X, 2X equal to 10 plus 10. X, 10 plus 10, 20. C, 100 plus 100, 200. C, 100 plus 100 plus 100, 300. लेकिन 5 plus 5, B plus B plus B हो नहीं रह सकता. Okay. Rule 2. The values of the symbols are added or subtracted to find the values of the Roman numerals. Then the smaller numeral is written to the right of a greater numeral. The value of the smaller numeral is added to the greater numeral. Example CX. That is X. C means 100. X means 10. That is, if X before C, then you minus 100 minus 10, that is 90. But if CX, that is greater number, smaller number is right hand side. So 100 plus 10, 110. CV, 100 plus 5. DC, 500 plus 100, 600, etc. etc. When the smaller numeral is written to left of a greater numeral, that is the right hand of the number, that is add. And if the smaller numeral is written to left of a greater numeral, the value of smaller numeral is subtracted from the greater numeral. The numerals V, L and D are not subtracted. That is, only one number can be subtracted from another. XC, that is 100 minus 10. CD, that is 500 minus 100, 400. X1, that is XL, that is L greater and 10 less. So 50 minus 10, 40. Okay. And if the smaller number is left hand side to the greatest number, then we subtract the greater number, smaller number from the greatest number. And if the smaller number is right hand side to the greater number, we add this. Okay. 4 number, when the symbols are combined to make a numeral, the value of the symbol between the two numerals is subtracted from the value of the symbol on its side. Example L, 1x, that is 50 plus L means 50 plus 9. 10 minus 1, 9, 59. Okay. This is your Roman numerals. And Roman numerals, some numerals I give you, that is symbol V. That is, you have to write Hindu Arabic number 5. And some I give you Roman numerals, you have to some I give you Hindu Arabic numeral, that is 4, you have to write it numeral, that is 4 का जो symbol है वही लिखोगे. Okay, this is This is your rules, and these are the rules of Roman numerals. Okay, and next I go to the third chapter, that is fraction. I have do it fraction, upper portion, lower portion, numerator, denominator. I have do it. So fraction, that is fraction number 1 by 4, 2 by 6, that is, these are the fractional number. These are your fractional number. You do it at class. I have done it. Okay, and in these sections you have to do greater than, less than, and similar, equivalent fraction. I do it in its rules, that is, arrange the given fractions in descending order, and I have detailed study in your class. Convert the given mixed fraction, that is very like fraction, unlike fraction, mixed fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction. I give you the definition of it. You have to revise it in your, which I have done in class. Okay, this is your fractional number, and there is some given fraction, ascending order, descending order, greater than, less than, and plus, some plus, minus, and lowest form, that is ऊपर नीचे तुम लोग काट दोगे, that is 2 by 8, lowest fraction 2 1 जा 2, 2 4 जा 8, 1 by 4. These are your rules, fractional rules. Okay, 1 and multiply, also division. Division may multiply 1 by 4 into 20, that is 4 5 जा 24, 5. और division में जो डिवाइजर को reciprocal करना होगा, that is 1 by 5, that is if I do 1 by 5 divided 10, that is after number you do it reciprocal, 1 by 5 into 10 by 1 by 10, that is 1 by 50. 2 by 7 into reciprocal, 14 ऊपर में चला जाएगा 1, 7 2 जा 14, that is 4. 3 by 9 divided by 2 by 9 into 9 by 2, that is 9 9 कट जाएगा, तो 3 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. अच्छा, 4 by 6 divided by 1 by 6 into reciprocal, 6 by 1, that is 4. Answer. Okay, do you understand? These are your division method, fractional division method. Okay. In this chapter, that is chapter 3, you have to practice page 40 and 41. I have also given you homework this. You have to practice it. Chota math I give you in your exam. Okay, this is your math. And fourth chapter recent I have completed, that is division, plus, minus, addition, subtraction, multiplication. That is if any number is add with 0, that is the number itself. Any number is multiplied by 0, answer is 0. Any number is multiplied by 1, the number itself. Any number is divided by this number, that is 5 divided by 5, 1. But 0 divided by 0 equal to 1. Okay, this is the rules, and you have to prepare yourself for the exam. Now I give you some examples of questions. Okay, now I show it in the class. Choose the correct option and put a tick mark on it. That is question number 1. The greatest number among the number itself. Number A, 50 lakh 60,731, 506,731, 506,07310, 40,06,371. Among this number, which is the greatest number? That is like 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10 lakh, 10 lakh. That is crore is greatest. So this is your tick mark. You put the tick mark here. I want to buy a house, 2 number. I want to buy a house with least price. Which one should I buy? Least means come. Rupees 14 crore 56 lakh 34,800. 14 crore 90 lakh 35,000. Rupees 14 crore 75 lakh 6,000. Rupees 14 crore 57 lakh 06. among this number which is least, that is repeat 14 crore, all same 14 crore जैसे सेम होता है. उसके बाद नंबर देखो 56 लाख, यहाँ पर 90 लाख, यहाँ पर 75 लाख, 57 लाख. तो 57, 90, 75, तो सबसे कम है 56. सो यहाँ पर टीका लगाओगे. 3. द सक्सेसर ऑफ 22,368,089. सक्सेसर मीन्स 1. सो इसके साथ 1 ऐड करोगे, जो नंबर आएगा वो में टीका लगाओगे. 910819. सो अमंग दिस नंबर विच इज करेक्ट सी. ओके. 4. द नंबर ऑफ डेज इन द मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर. अक्टूबर मंथ कितने दिन में है, रोमान नंबर भी लिखा है देखो. 10 XX 5 3 XX 1 XX 4 XX symbol. X means 10 10 10 20 28 31 34 30. So 31 days in the month of October. So this is correct. ठीक. Number of weeks in a year. 1 week में कितने नंबर होता है? Number of weeks in a year. 1 week में 7 days, but 1 year में 52 weeks. So L2 XX4 3x 6L. So 1 week में 52. तो 50 52. This is correct. Numeral CL5 is dash CXLV. C means 100. I also write it here. 155. And here for 150 minus 10 40 45. So 155 is greater than 145. So greater than. So greater than. You take it. Mark. Put the mark here. 1 by 20 into 40. Which answer is correct? 10 15 20 80. काटोगे ऊपर नीच तो 20. So 20. 2 by 15 of rupees 300 rupees. 15 2 जा 30. That is 2 by 15 into 300. 15 2 जा 30. तो 20 40 rupees 40. तो rupees 30 rupees 20 rupees 60 rupees 40. 40 answer correct. Okay. 9 number. 18 lakh 47,336 plus 0. Similar number. So यहाँ पर 0 नहीं, यहाँ पर ब्लैंक. 4 नंबर सही है. 0 से ऐड करोगे तो ऐड होगा. मैं 4 ऑप्शन दिया, जो ऑप्शन करेक्ट. डैश इंटू 0 इक्वल टू 0. सो डैश में कौन करेक्ट होगा? सो 2 10 any number 100. तो any number into 0 0. Okay. The predecessor of 65,73,800. Predecessor is number 1. इसके साथ नंबर -1 करोगे तो क्या होगा? वही होगा. तो 700 यही होगा करेक्ट आंसर. 4 ऑप्शन दिया है. ओके. 540 इक्वल टू बॉक्स इंटू 60. बॉक्स में कौन नंबर सही है? 9 900 90 09 90. सो 90 करेक्ट. Box plus 239 equal to 645. So 645 minus 239 जो सही होगा 406. ओके. यहाँ पर हम कर दिया 406. अच्छा 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 जा 9 9 3 जा 27. सो 27. 4 ऑप्शन देगा, जो करेक्ट होगा वही हमें टीका करोगे. 1 hour 45 minutes. दैट इज हाउ मेनी मिनट्स? 1 hour means 60 plus 45 105. So 150 250 105 50 105 minutes. The greatest 5-digit number is 1. Greatest 1-digit number 9. So greatest 5-digit number is 10,000, 1 10 100,000, 1 lakh, 90,000, 99,999. ये होगा 1 2 3 4 5 5 9. Greatest 5-digit number. Okay. Then Roman numeral for 49. कौन होगा? 50 60 61. 50 10 L 1 X X L X 1 X L X. कौन नंबर सही है? कैलकुलेट करके देखो. 49 50 10 61 होगा. X माने बिफोर L बिफोर ग्रेटर नंबर, तो X L माइनस 10 40 50 minus 10 40 49. ये होगा सही, ये दो गलत. तो सही में. सो I also repeat all these chapters, and you also prepare yourself in this procedure, and I hope that you must succeed, and I wish you best luck. Okay, thank you.